Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources.
New York Times Business. September 8, 1733 America New York, Lululemon says sales soar but supply chain remains a concern. Athleisure company, one of the few retailers to thrive during the pandemic, relies heavily on production from Vietnam. Lululemon has been one of few apparel retailers to thrive during the pandemic.
Wall Street Journal Markets. September 8, 1730 America New York, Energy Vault reaches $1.6 billion SPAC deal to go public. Investors in the clean energy storage startup include SoftBank, an Aramco venture fund and technology incubator Idealab.
Forexlive. September 8, 1722 America New York, reminder. Dallas Fed President Kaplan is speaking soon, at 2200 GMT. Dallas Federal Reserve Bank President Robert Kaplan will be speaking as a participant in a discussion of economic developments and implications for monetary policy.
New York Times Business. September 8, 1711 America New York, vast expansion in aid kept food insecurity from growing last year. Despite the economic downturn, government figures for 2020 show no overall rise in hunger of the sort typical in past recessions. But some groups still suffered. Volunteers preparing boxes at a food bank in an AMP. NBSP, San Mateo, California, in August.
BBC News Business. September 8, 1701 America New York, Theranos founder Elizabeth Holmes, lied and cheated, trial hears. Elizabeth Holmes falsely claimed her blood testing devices worked, prosecutors say, as fraud trial begins.
Forexlive. September 8, 1648 America New York, Forexlive Americas FX News Wrap. Forex news for North American trading on September 8, 2021. The fundamental stories for the North American session today saw the Bank of Canada rates keeping rates unchanged as expected. Forexlive. September 8, 1647 America New York, Trade Ideas Thread, Thursday the 9th of September 2021. Good morning, afternoon and evening all. Any charts, technical analysis, trade ideas, thoughts, views, Forex Live traders would like to share and discuss with fellow Forex Live traders, please do so.
Marginal Revolution. September 8, 1644 America New York, auction markets where you most expect them. At Christie's, Adam Smith's Wealth of Nations, first edition, estimate is in the 80K-120K range, bid here. The post-auction markets where you most expect them appeared first on Marginal Revolution.
Forexlive. September 8, 1638 America New York, in case you missed it, Russian gas giant Gazprom will Nord Stream 2 gas flow from October 1st. Bloomberg cite unnamed sources for the info. Gazprom is planning to start flowing natural through the first leg of the Nord Stream 2 link to Germany on October 1st. Forexlive. September 8, 1637 America New York, private oil survey data shows headline draw in crude oil inventory. The inventory data from the private survey is out, official data follows WED. Morning, U.S. time, via Zero Hedge.
Armstrong Economics. September 8, 1622 America New York, private blog. Gold, elections and September, 21. Private blog. Gold, elections and AMP. September 21 private blog posts are exclusively available to Socrates subscribers. To sign up for Socrates or to learn more, please visit ask-socrates.com.
Forexlive. September 8, 1610 America New York, tech leads U.S. equities lower in moderate day of declines. Closing changes for U.S. markets. Tech has been red hot, but I would have though yesterday's rising yields would have made a bigger dent. Today rates reversed but tech stayed weak. Forexlive. September 8, 1608 America New York, economic calendar due from Asia today, China inflation data. 2145 GMT New Zealand manufacturing activity for Q2 2301 GMT UK data. RICS house price balance for August and, as an added bonus, at 2200 GMT Federal Reserve Dallas branch head Kaplan is speaking. Kaplan has been the loudest and longest proponent of a sooner rather than later Fed taper.
New York Times Business. September 8, 1603 America New York, Fed's Williams hints that bond buying taper could start even if job gains slow. The president of the powerful New York Fed said that it was the level of the job market, not the pace of progress, that mattered. John Williams, the president of the Federal Reserve Bank of New York, in 2019.
Daily FX Market News. September 8, 1600 American New York, financials and energy stocks may have upside potential, XLF and XLE look attractive. Financials and energy stocks, with cheap valuations, may offer a compelling risk-reward profile heading into the fourth quarter as the economic recovery stabilizes.
The Library of Economics and Liberty. September 8, 1553 America New York, MRI pricing. 2 weeks ago I posted about what I thought might be rational pricing for my MRI and I ended by saying, stay tuned. I don't yet have the bill and so I can't say more about that.
Forexlive. September 8, 1545 America New York. Long candle wicks tee up some questions into tomorrow's trade. The dollar bid is in flux. The abrupt reversal in the US dollar today likely has market participants feeling off balance. In addition, US 10-year yields look to be breaking higher yesterday only to give it all back and more today.
Wall Street Journal Markets. September 8, 1539 America New York. Citrix activist could clean up on messy cloud transition. The sell-off in shares of the software company has produced one of the cheapest stocks in the sector. It's easy to see why Elliott Management got interested in Citrix again.
Forexlive. September 8, 1529 America New York. EURJPY trades between hourly moving averages. 100 and 200-hour moving average is containing the EURJPY's price. The EURUSD reached its most recent cycle high, highest level since July 13, last Friday. The high price came in at 130.73 on 3 separate hourly bars. The final failed attempt to move higher sent the price lower and toward the rising 100-hour moving average, blue line.
Daily FX Market News. September 8, 1507 America New York. Bitcoin, BTC, USD, finds support above $45,000 after steep decline. Bitcoin, BTC, USD, falls back to $46,000 after a strong rally. Which way will crypto go?
Forexlive. September 8, 1506 America New York. Fed's Williams continues to campaign to separate taper from liftoff date. More from Williams that comment on demand through bottlenecks is a tough one. Autos are such a good example right now. Sales have cratered. Much of that is about supply, but how many people are avoiding buying a car because prices are high and negotiating power is non-existent?